My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove pop-ups by the site cleargaglianons.com. Cleargaglianons.com is a dangerous site. It targets Google Chrome and it affects other browsers. It tries to make you basically download and install some unwanted browser extensions that may operate as browser hijackers, for instance. If you see pop-ups by cleargaglianons.com, just leave this deceptive page and don't tolerate such pop-ups. I recommend you to additionally research the computer with a combo cleaner. It can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download combo cleaner button, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other threats. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode. And only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.